Welcome back to WordPress website designing course. In this video, we're going to learn about how to create a website within 10 minutes. Let's begin. First of all, you have to type localhost WordPress. I have installed this fresh now to demonstrate this video. If you don't know how to install, just you can watch the first video of this YouTube channel. I have discussed about that there. I'll provide the link in the description also. You can just watch that. Okay, you have to enter your credential here and enter to the dashboard admin panel. Okay, what you need to do, first of all, we have to go to the plugins, appearance, theme. From here we have to install one theme, so click on add new, search for Astra. You will get this theme. Click on yes, install, click on activate now. Yes, this is activated, so let's go to the browser and refresh it. Now our website look like this. Okay, so continue. Here you can see Astra options. Click on it. After that, you can see here install importer. Okay, after installation, you can see these options. Elementor, this option. You have to work with Elementor, so click on it. Elementor. We'll design website using Elementor, so we are clicking on this Elementor. You can see here lots of designs are here, so which you want to include in your website, which is looking nice, so check out from here which you like, you can select. Okay, for now I will select this first one. This is looking nice, so I will select it, and from here you can see import home template, only home page, or you can see import complete site. Click on it to import full website, and delete previous imported site. Yes, okay, fine, import. It will take. Now you can see here this is successfully installed, so click on this view site to see your website, how it look like. Okay, now it's loading, just wait. Okay, as you can see here our website is successfully imported, this one. So next is how can we edit this website. You can see your option edit with Elementor. Just click on it and you will get edit option. We are at home page, so this will display you edit option in home page. As you can see here, this one, just click where you want to edit. Here you want to edit, just click here and write. As you can see here also you can write, or here also you can write, that's your choice. So you can click and write whatever you want. Create your own website. In this way you can write, you can change it, just click here and you can change this from here. Okay, next thing, if you want to change text in this button, so click on it and then remove it, and you can write whatever you want to write. Read more, in this way. If you want to change this size icon here, this all those things stuffs are here, you can apply this and make it changes on this. Let's go down. If you want to change this one, just click here and change it from here. So everything you can change. Like if you want to change the image, just click here and you can select the image from here. Choose image from here, you can select the image which you want to include. You want to include this one, just click here and insert media, in this way. Okay, this is already here, so let me change this one and keep that one. Okay, insert media. If you finish editing, just you can see here update, click on update. When it updated, as you can see here option, okay, this one, preview and changes, preview changes, just click here and see how it look like after changing. Create your own website and read more here, and here are the images. Okay, we can change this whole stuff using Elementor, this home page and this all things. But how to change this header and then footer? For that we have to go to our this admin panel. Okay, just close this, and from here we can see here customize option. Click on customize and then you can edit header and footer from here. As you can see here, this will load, and if you see this option, just click on it. And if you want to display this disable menu, you can just click on it to disable the menu. Yeah, this is not appear here now. Just click on it to see again, and you can see here this option. Click on this arrow and you can change the text from here, like in this way. Yes, this is changing. Okay, Control Z to make as it is. As you can see, your option, you can change it from here. Logo also you can change from here. And in the same way, you can go down, and here is the option to change the footer. So click here and change whatever you want to write. You can write here in this way. So we know how to change, and yeah, this website also. After that, if you want to change this menu option like home, about, services, project, contact, just go back from here. And if you want to add more menus also, I have a special video for that. Just you can click on menu. I'll show you just simply, and you can see here menus are here. So if you want to add more, just you can create a page and post just custom link, and you can add to the menu. If you want to learn that, there is a video for that, so you can watch and understand. At the end of this course, I will show you how to upload your website online, so it will be visible for all. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button.